Hey guys, welcome back to Yinzer Picker. This is going to be a good what's sold video. We had some good stuff go out recently. At first it was kind of a slow start after the weekend, but it did pick up. We had some good sales, stuff that we were happy with. I mean, not a lot of stuff went out, but for what we've had in the stuff and what it's sold for and stuff, we're happy with. So let's get started. I have two items here I'm going to show you that didn't get boxed up yet, but they're going to go out today because they were bought overnight. So first thing, multi-tool golf wrench for your golf cleats. This went out, I think it was $325. Let me double check. Yeah, $325 plus shipping. The next thing that's going out today is this cassette recorder. Radio Shack desktop cassette recorder. Oh, I picked this up at a yard sale, I think $5. Came with a bunch of tapes, which I have, which it just gave to me. So this is going out for $19.99 plus shipping. So that was a nice little flip. Had this for a couple weeks, maybe a month or two. Yeah, it was a little bit. There wasn't much traction on it, but I think I just listed it pretty recently. So that was a nice little sale. The next thing, another multi-tool for your golf cleats. $325 plus shipping. I am not sure how many I have left of these. I'm actually going to look right now. I still have 3 more of these available. I bought a bunch of these, and they've been selling here and there. I mean, if you need to change golf cleats out, this is the tool to use. Next thing's going out is a NHL Class of 67 2XL t-shirt. It has the Penguins, the Kings, the Flyers, the Blues, the Stars. I think there's one more logo on the shirt. That's going out. Got $4 plus shipping. I bought this shirt to wear. I wore it a few times. We got it on sale at the Penguins Arena. We went up to get pictures with the Stanley Cup. Didn't make much on that, but it's out of here. Next thing, Pittsburgh Penguins. It's an autographed 2009 Stanley Cup team photo. It was signed by Jordan Staal and Sergei Gonchar. So I got these signed after the appearance that they made. Never got anybody else from that team. So the next up, this was probably the best sell we had all week. The TaylorMade R1 adjustable driver. It went out $92.29 plus shipping. Buyer bought it. It was probably enlisted a couple days, but I was going to use it, decided not to. So it's out of here. I picked this up at a recent yard sale. The guy was selling it on Facebook, but he was having a yard sale. So I bought that for $25. Next item's going out is a lot of 2 microphones. Again, I bought these to get signed by some musicians. COVID hit, so sold them. $5.99. Jeans, 505s, 38 by 32, $15 plus shipping. You probably saw this in a video that we had. Somebody gave us a bunch of stuff.
The song Solve the Sinner.
Next up, vintage Barbie roller skating Ken doll. Box was the disaster. It was pretty beat up. It had mostly, I think, almost all the parts to it, if I remember right. But we got $38 plus shipping for that thing. So next up, Stratego, 2 to 4 person game. Sorry, I turned off Alexa. She's getting on my nerves over here. Anytime I'm talking, she's answering. I'm not even saying her name. So, but Stratego Deluxe Edition, 2 to 4 person game from 1997. It sold for $15.99 plus shipping. I think this was going to Canada, if I remember right. Stratego sells. I mean, I noticed somebody else put it in one of their videos at this game moves. It does. I've had 2 of them so far, and they sell pretty quickly. I think the 2-person game might sell better because I sold that one faster than this one. So, an electric handheld air pump. I picked this up when that guy was moving out of state. I basically had probably next to nothing into it, considering what else I sold from that already. $5.99 plus shipping. Color Street nails. Picked these up at a recent yard sale. Picked these up for 50 cents. I got $15.99 plus shipping for them. We still have one more set of Color Street nails that I picked up at that yard sale that was in that video. So I think it was Pool Intentions is the last one we have. This was actually another good sale too over this week. A Yeti camouflage 20-ounce Rambler with the lid. You're probably thinking, wait, it's a used Yeti. And I got $91.01 for it. We love Yetis, as you can see in all the videos. I think there's a Yeti behind me over here. I was never a fan of this camo one. So I bought a different color. Used this a couple times for my coffee, but I decided to sell it when I looked it up to see what used Yetis were selling for. I found out that this camouflage one's actually a rare print. If this thing was new, it'd be over $300. So keep your eye out for camouflage Yetis. I am going to say bolo on this, even though I don't want to use that word, but camouflage Yetis, keep your eye out for them. Next up, Disney Lilo and Stitch Elvis plush doll, 14-inch with the guitar/ukulele. I think I picked this up for a couple bucks. At a yard sale, $15.99 plus shipping. Plush sells, Build-A-Bear sell. As long as they're in good shape. I don't feel like washing them too much, especially when there's a bunch of stuff on it you can't wash them. Next, Pittsburgh Pirates Nike Boys 12-month outfit. Shorts and shirt sold for $6.99 plus shipping. I realized when the buyer bought it, though, my shipping was high. I don't know why I list this with priority mail shipping, but it's going to be there probably tomorrow, maybe even today. So the person should be happy with that. $6.99 plus shipping. Maybe that's why it stuck around so long, is because the shipping was so high. And that's it. That's what we sold this week. Some good sales, even though, I mean, it was good because I was busy at work. Yinzer mom was busy around the house with the kids, so they helped me pack up some stuff this week. So it was good. I think it was a good one. So till next time, guys, remember, stay safe, stay healthy. Hit that like, share, and subscribe button down below. Helps out the channel. Comment. We love seeing the comments. So until next time, guys, keep picking. Bye.